All You Need to Know About Wisconsin by Ayana. This is a state map of Wisconsin. You can see the borders, you can see the lakes, the rivers, some mountains, and some streets. You can find rivers, lakes, and hills. The land there is open and has many farms. Also, some land is crowded with towns and cities. You can see places like Lake Geneva and Cave of the Mountains, which is also famous as a limestone cave. This is Lake Geneva. People say this is a pretty place because of the way the water looks and the way the rocks are set up. This is not handmade. This was already naturally made by nature. Don't forget to visit this place. This is the limestone cave or Cave of the Mounds. It is made by dust eroding into rocks and forming into caves. This cave has water inside the cave. It is also beautiful because it's normally made. It's not man-made. Janesville is a small city located near the Rock River in Wisconsin. Janesville is popular for its beautiful parks and recreational areas, such as boat launches, playgrounds, and golf courses. This is a fun place to visit in Wisconsin. A fun place to visit in Wisconsin is Noah's Ark Water Park. Don't forget to visit it. Noah's Ark is a 70-acre water park in Wisconsin Dells. The park features many attractions. Some of them are wave pools, which are like beaches, rivers that are endless, bumper boats, water slides, games in an arcade, and a theater. This water park is so famous in Wisconsin. These are the bumper boats. These are the huge water slides. A famous person in Wisconsin is John Bardeen. John Bardeen was born in Madison in 1908. John Bardeen had invented the transistor. In return, he got his first Nobel Prize in 1956. After that, he got his second prize in 1972 for his research on superconductivity, the ability of some materials to carry or conduct electricity without any resistance at all. This is John Bardeen with his Nobel Prize in 1972. Then the second picture shows his first point contact transistor, and the third picture shows Bardeen's transistor demonstration. Buzz. Wisconsin grows corn, grains, hay, soybeans, winter wheat, mint, and tobacco. They also make canned green peas, snap beans, sweet corn, and cabbage. One of the famous tree is the sugar maple tree. This tree became Wisconsin's state tree in 1949. These trees live for 300 to 400 years. This is a sugar maple tree in the sun. Another famous plant is morel mushrooms. These plants are often found at the base of dead trees. Make sure it is not poisonous before you eat them. Most of them are usually poisonous. These are some morel mushrooms in a forest under the dead trees. Wildlife morel mushrooms in the jungle. Wisconsin's state animal is a white-tailed deer. These animals that are common in wooded areas all over Wisconsin are white-tailed deer. They eat alfalfa crops, berries, young leaves, acorns, grass, and as well as wheat. They are herbivores. These animals are also named as a state wildlife animal. This is a white-tailed deer eating plants. Another state animal in Wisconsin is the red-winged blackbird. In early spring, these animals nest in marshy areas in Wisconsin. Also, these animals yell "Okali" loud and long when they defend their territory. They also like to rest on cattle. These animals sound great. This is a blackbird nesting in a marshy area. Wisconsin's state motto is Forward. The state was originally adopted in 1851 and was selected to represent the state in its campaign to be recognized as a leader. That is how the state got its motto. The name Wisconsin was created from a Chippewa Indian word which means grassy place. Grassy place is because Wisconsin has a lot of grass. The state flag of Wisconsin is a field of blue with the state coat of arms located centrally. The coat depicts a sailor and a miner. The figures stand either side of a yellow shield. They represent labor on land and water.